In today's video, we're going to make our own sugar body scrub and learn why you need to know how to make this fantastic do-it-yourself product for your home. Please like, share, and subscribe. This amazing recipe consists of all natural ingredients. It leaves my skin smooth, soft, and hydrated. It's also incredibly easy to make, and the ingredients are probably already in your cupboard. All right, let's get to it. We need 2 cups of sugar. Sugar is an excellent exfoliator, leaving your skin feeling soft and firm. 1 cup of solid but soft coconut oil. Coconut oil is deeply moisturizing and absorbs quickly. It's an antioxidant, antifungal, and helps soothe skin irritation such as eczema and psoriasis. 1 medium glass mason jar. Essential oils I like to use is rosemary, lavender, and wild orange essential oils. 6 drops of rosemary essential oil. Rosemary can improve blood circulation, reduce stress, and improve mental clarity. It's antibacterial. 8 drops of lavender essential oil. Lavender can induce calm and improve blood circulation. It's an antioxidant, antibacterial, and antifungal. It can support against inflammation. 8 drops of wild orange essential oil. Wild orange can reduce stress and increase energy and focus. It's antibacterial and antioxidant and can improve circulation. Combine 2 cups of sugar and 1 cup of coconut oil in a bowl and stir. Add 6 drops of rosemary, 8 drops of lavender, and 8 drops of wild orange essential oils and mix well. Then place scrub in a medium-sized glass mason jar. It's just that easy. Here's the recipe if you'd like a screenshot. Due to wild orange's photosensitive properties, avoid sunlight for 12 hours after use. Store in a cool and dry space. Thanks for watching, and remember, subscribe, comment, and ring that bell for more wellness content at The Essential Journey, restoring the mind, body, and home with the power of nature.